Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Hadoop using Hortonwork Sandbox. We will be doing this downloading the software from Hortonworks website, and we will also be using an Oracle Virtualbox in order to install Sandbox and access all the services. Sandbox is nothing but the compact of all the services that Hadoop cluster provides. For example, it comes with an HDP, Hive, Pig, Spark, and many other services which you can use. It honor to learn many services in just one sandbox environment. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start it. Go to the Google and type Hortonwork Sandbox download. Go to the first one. Previously, Hortonworks and Sandbox were two different companies, but sometimes before they get merged. As you enter the website, you will see two different softwares, which are Hortonworks HDP and Cloudera Data Flow. So for this demo purpose, we will be going to have this what Hortonworks HDP. Okay, so click on this download button. So for that, we will be looking at left hand side. We will be getting some services like Apache Spark, Apache Hive, Apache HBase, and many services which this platform provides us. So to install our sandbox in our system, we have to need a Virtualbox or any other virtual environment. So we will be looking toward to choose Virtualbox here, and let's go. So for now we will be presenting here forms come up, and we have to input our credentials and our name and all the details over here. So go for self learning, to your first name, last name, business email, company name, that is self. Okay, I will give my company name engineer ST. Okay, and job title data engineer. Phone number. Okay, accept this all and continue. Accept this too. So we will be getting some download links. Okay, so older versions are also present here, but we will go for latest one, that is 3.0.1. As we see, we got an pop-up message from Cloudera, so we will update and we'll start our downloading. So here our downloading started. In order to use Hortonworks Sandbox, we will need some environment like Virtualbox in Windows 10, okay, or in any other Windows. Okay, so let's go and download that Virtualbox, which is Oracle Virtualbox. Okay, so this is our latest version of Virtualbox, that is 6.1.22. Okay, so as our Windows, so please go ahead and select this one. So we will have a pop-up window and save that file. It has started downloading. So I will pause my video, and I had already downloaded that all the files required for my setup, like a Virtualbox and a .ova file of Hortonworks Sandbox. So I will directly show you how to import a Hortonworks Sandbox on a Virtualbox. Initially, you will not be seeing this Hortonworks Sandbox here. So I had already import this Hortonworks Sandbox on my virtual machine. So I will tell you something like I will tell you about how to import Hortonwork Sandbox on a virtual environment. The virtual environment we are using is that is Virtualbox. Okay, go this file section and import appliances. Import your .ova file from local system to the Virtualbox environment, which we have downloaded from the Hortonwork Sandbox website. So after importing your Hortonwork Sandbox on Virtualbox, let's start it. But before starting it, make sure that your appliance, that is Hortonwork Sandbox on Virtualbox or a virtual environment, should have about 2 core processor and a RAM of about 5 gigabytes. Okay, so let's start and run it. We have reached to the welcome screen of Hortonwork Sandbox. Here we will see two types of section, that is new to HDP and advanced HDP. Okay, so it's a version of Sandbox HDP 3.0. So we will, new to HDP section will provide us a launch dashboard, and another one will be providing some quick links to provide some services like Ambari, that is Ambari dashboards and all that. So we have to go ahead and check our password, what are the default password for our Ambari and some other shells which I've been using in Hortonworks Sandbox platform.